Welcome to Train Signal. You're watching a lesson on installing Windows Server 2012. And in this lesson, you're going to like this. I want to just take you right in and start showing you how to install it rather than boring you with a whole lot of talk about it. But there is one thing I need to talk to you about first, and that is the minimum hardware requirements. And that's pretty much just because if you want to follow along with me as I do it, well, you're going to have a computer that meets these requirements. So real quick, there's three main things you got to make sure that you have. First of all, the computer has to have a processor that's at least 1.4 gigahertz. You have to have at least half a gig or 512 megabytes of memory or RAM. And you have to have at least 32 gig of available hard disk space. And that's pretty much it. I mean, yeah, you have to have a monitor or you won't be able to see anything, and keyboard and mouse, and maybe a DVD drive if you're going to install off DVD. Okay, so you have to have some of those basics. But as far as the actual, resource requirements, that's it. 1.4 gigahertz processor, half a gig of RAM, and 32 gig of hard drive space. And if you think about it, you have to go back quite a few years to find a computer that doesn't meet those minimum requirements. And that's one of the cool things about Windows Server 2012. So now that you know that, let's go ahead and see how it's done.